think that's enough C4. Okay, do you guys think I'm gonna survive this? I'm gonna go ahead and say no. Before anything, I want to start this video off by thanking you all for 100 subscribers. 6 months and 52 videos later, we officially hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, thanks to the 1,020 of you guys who think my videos are cool. Alright, you guys know what time it is. It's... What's this? A blowtorch. Wait, does that mean I can light stuff on fire? Marina too small. I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina. Okay, well, thanks for flexing all over me, man. It's been like a month and a half since I played this game, so I don't know what I'm doing right now. Demolishing the outermost cabin. This? Yeah, this. 6 meters too tall? Okay. Perfect. Look at how much progress we're making already. There we go. Just go. Destroy proof of ownership by dumping the safes in the ocean. What safes? This thing, right? Yes, this thing. God damn it, this is gonna take forever. Bro, I'm just gonna put a hole in the floor so I can drop the safe down easier. Is this able to fit?
Boom shakalaka!
Too easy, as always. Classic cars. Can you help me acquire these 2 gems? I'll take good care of them. I wonder how much I get paid for doing all this. Where am I supposed to be going? There's a car there, and there's a car there. How am I supposed to go here, bring that back, and then go back there, bring that there, all in a minute? No. Alright, it's in here. Wait, it's attached to a truck. So does that mean I could just take the whole truck? Yes. Okay, there we go. So now we can drive it off and then into there. Other one should be back there. Now, if this plan works, then I'm too good. We're already restarting. Wait. Alright, let's try this again. Oh man. I don't got time for this. Turn.
Tell them to bring me my money.
You reached new rank. A new tool? Oh, yes, please. Where's the new tool? A shotgun. Alright, let's test this bad boy out on the wall. You don't know me, but I've had a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost 2 very rare classic cars. Yeah, I wonder who did that. Okay, what am I doing? I wasn't even reading. Dump at least 3 of Gordon's expensive cars in the water. So how are we gonna do this without setting the alarm off? Okay, that's one in there, and I'm pretty sure there's 1 over there. Let's just test out our very rough plan. So obviously, we gotta drive it through the door. Alright, let's go. Then we have to launch it, right? So like, bang. Alright, we got 40 seconds. Go. No! tell me that made it. Don't hit a tree. There we go. Open up. $18. I'm not gonna make it. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Wait, did I do it? Yo, bro. That actually kind of scared me. Oh yeah, I forgot about this thing. What does it do again? Overcharge danger. What happens when I overcharge it? Well, I guess I should have expected that. Watch out and let's go. This is gonna kill my computer. Alright. 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 This is what it looked like before and after. Doesn't this look so much nicer? Alright, we're back at the mall. And this is where I'm gonna spawn a Meteor. Oh, hell nah. Wait. Oh. I need to get a good view of what's going on. Yo, I actually need to get, like, to the bottom of the building now. Hey, where'd the wall go? Holy shit, that was not a meteor, bro. That was a whole nuke. Well, that's nice. You know what else is nice? The 4 frames per second I'm getting right now. It makes me feel like I'm playing cool math on a Chromebook again. Alright, it is so laggy, dude.
Oh my